Hi, Jared Lawrence, Formless Project Manager, here once again to show you just how easy Quik is to use. Today, we're going to talk about formless. Have you ever heard of that expression before? Think of TurboTax. When you're going through all the questions without ever seeing the form, that's exactly what formless is. Let me show you how it works. From your dashboard, we're going to start the same workflow that you normally would. So we can go to Search Forms. I'm going to use the Purging New Account form today. So I'm going to search for that. I'm going to select it. I'm going to go to Add People. I'm going to add in one record today for owner 1. After that's done, we'll go to Finalize. And now once we're here, this looks how it always does, but the one thing that we're going to do this time is that we're going to select the Quick View option. If you want to use formless, you have to have this selected, and you need to select it every single time. It will always unselect after each use. Now that we've done that, let's launch the forms. But instead of the form actually generating, we're going to get the formless view. And here's the formless view. As I mentioned earlier, it gives off the TurboTax vibe to where it has all the questions that are on the form without showing the form itself. So as you can see, it's asking for the account number, it's asking for the type of account, it's asking for the account registration type. These again are all fields that we've defined on the form that you've selected. If there are fields that we don't have defined, maybe it's a product sponsor and it's a one-off question, you won't be able to fill that out here. However, on the next screen, once you actually launch the form itself, you'll still be able to fill it out. But for now, let's fill out some of these questions so you can see it in action. I'm going to select the account registration type of 529 plan, type of account as retail. I'm going to scroll down until we get to other roles that are on the form that we chose. If I go to owner 1, you'll see I have Stanley's information that we already pre-filled from the CRM. But now let's go down to owner 2, and we're going to fill out a little bit more information. So we'll just put in John Smith. And if we come down to address, we can go 123 Main Street, and we'll go Los Angeles, California. Scroll down, let's fill out a few more questions. I'm going to go to the investment area. We'll just throw in random years. Of course, when you're filling this out, you'll use the exact data that you need. Now, once we've done all that, we can scroll back to the top. And if we hit the launch form button, this will actually launch the form itself now. So let's just wait a second for it. And now that we have the form, if we scroll down, we'll see we selected retail, we selected the 529 plan. And if we keep coming down, we can go to Stan's information, and then we'll get to owner 2 eventually, somewhere around here. Let's keep scrolling. There it is, John Smith, 123 Main Street. And if we come here, we get some of the financial information. I really hope that this video helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to support@quickforms.com. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.